Here we go. This one is nets. Good, nets. There's a lesson on that. Can't remember what number it is, but there is. What 3D shape will the net below form? So this is just a shape that's been cut and separated and flattened out. So if you folded them all up back together, because everything is square, it would make a cube. And this one would be pretty similar to that, but it would be a cuboid, because we've got some long sides and short sides. Right, which of the following nets will form a cube? Right, okay, so let's have a look. So we're going to imagine folding them up. Don't think so. This looks good, doesn't it? You fold these four over and then these would flip over to the ends. So I'm going to go C. Draw a net for the box on the grid below, labelling your dimensions. Well, excuse me that some of these squares haven't come out. So one square is 1 centimetre. So let's do the bottom first of all. We'll go 5 by 3. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3. Okay, so that's 3 and that's 5. Now the ends are going to be 2, so we'll do the 2 there, so that's 2, and the other side somewhere down there, so that's 2 as well. And then we've got the front and back, which is going to be 5 by 2, so we'll have that one, and we'll, I think that's 2 there, front and back, so there's 2, and then we need the top, which is 3 by 5, so 1, 2, 3 by 5, so 3 by 5. Yeah. Labeling your dimensions. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I could put bottom, side, top, side, end, end, just so there's no confusion about what that is. Okay, you might not get enough time to do that in an exam. Draw a net. Draw a net. Labeling your dimensions. So we'll start with the bottom is 5 by 5.5. So I'm going to do that 5 and 5.5. Now I did do that side, which is 7. So I'm going to do that 7, and then another one on that side, 7, and then I want the front, which is 5 by 7. So that's going to be 7, and the same with that one down there, can be 7, and then the top is 5 by 5.5 again. So 5 by 5.5. Yep. So that's the bottom, the side, the end, and the top. Okay, right. Match each net with the name of the 3D shape that it forms. So this we've already learned is a cube. This one is a square-based pyramid. That one's a cylinder because it's got 2 round bits. Therefore, this must be the triangular prism. Draw a net for the square-based pyramid. Labeling right. So we've got to draw a net. So the square base 5 by 5. So we need a 5 by 5, and then the sides are 7. So we need 7 that way, 7 that way, 7 that way, and 7 that way. Draw the net for the triangular prism. So, right, so the base is going to be 3 by 8. Then we've got two sides that are 5 by 8. So again, that's going to be 5. And then that one over there, it's going to be 5. And that's 8 as well, and that's 8. That's all 8. And then we've got these little triangles, which are 5 long. So we do that. And we got 5. And we've got another one over there, which is 5. Draw a net labeling your dimensions. Okay, so now this is more complicated because we don't know how long it is. So we've got to work out the, I'll put it down there. So it's going to be that. And then on the top, we'll have a circle. Yeah, and on the bottom, we'll have a circle. It should have been touching, and the circles should be the same thing. Right, so we know that the circle is 2 radius, so we can put that as 2 and put that as 2, and the width of this, if we unroll it, that's 7, but we don't know that distance there. Now that distance is the circumference, so C equals pi d. So we call it pi equals 3.14. So the circumference is 3.14 times the diameter, which is 4. So 3.14 times 4 is 12.56 centimeters. So this will be 12.56 centimeters. That's it. There you go. Nets. All right. See you in the next